like I said, in 1988, I didn't know a soul. There were no such thing as yoga mats or yoga pants. There was no such thing. There were no yoga classes. There was none of that stuff. Nobody was doing it. And it's been really interesting from where I've come from, to see to the point now where you see people carrying around yoga mats, and it's no big deal. It's like, oh, you must be going to a yoga class later today. And nobody gives it a second thought. 15 years ago, they would go, oh, you're still hugging trees, aren't you? You're still eating granola in your yogurt, aren't you? You know, they kind of looked at them as like, yeah, you're still a little bit off. And now, it's like, we've finally gotten to the point, I think, where, oh, I'm taking a yoga class, and nobody gives you a second thought. And I think meditation is headed there, but we're not there yet. I want to